Assalamu alaikum. I'm a physiotherapist and I'm here in front of you with my new topic that is called the pawns of the brain. First of all, I want to say that is my new channel in YouTube. Please like and subscribe my channel for further informational videos. So, let's get started. The pons is anterior to the cerebellum and it connects the medulla oblongata to the brain to the midbrain. It is about 1 inches long. The, the pons has two surfaces, anterior surface and the posterior surface. If we talk about the anterior surface of the pons, anterior surface is convex from side to side and shows many transverse fibers that converge on each side to form the middle cerebellar peduncle. And a groove is present that is called a basilar groove, and a basilar artery lodges in them. On the anterolateral surface of the pons, the trigeminal nerve emerges on side of each side. If we talk about the posterior surface of the pons, the posterior surface of the pons hidden from view by the cerebellum. It forms the upper half of the floor of the fourth ventricle and is triangular in shape. The posterior surface is limited laterally by the superior cerebellar peduncles and divided into symmetrical half by median sulcus. Another sulcus is present that is called the sulcus limitans, which bounded with the medial eminence. Here, the lateral view of the brain is shown. Pons is present above, it means the superior, the medulla oblongata, and below the pituitary gland. And the surrounding structures are corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is a gray matter structures. Gray matter mass. Cerebellum, cerebral cortex, thalamus, cerebellum, reticular activity system, pituitary gland, and hypothalamus surrounding the structures of the pons. If we talk about the structure of the pons, the structures at upper pons are mainly superior cerebellar peduncle, medial longitudinal fasciculus, lucus coeruleus, pedunculopontine, tegmental nucleus, and parabrachial nucleus. So, if we talk about the internal structure of the pons, we can study the pons by two structures, by two ways: transverse section through the caudal part and transverse section through the cranial part. In this video, we discuss about the caudal part of the pons. The medial lemniscus rotates as it passes from the medulla into the pons. The facial nucleus lies posterior to the lateral part of the medial lemniscus. The medial longitudinal fasciculus is situated beneath the floor of the fourth ventricle on either side of the midline. The medial vestibular nucleus is situated lateral to the abducens nucleus and is in close to the relationship to the inferior cerebellar peduncle. The trapezoid body is made up of fibers derived from the cochlear nuclei and the nuclei of the trapezoid body. The basilar part of the pons at this level contains small masses of nerve cells called Putaenia nuclei. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel for further informational videos.